Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I have been watching different artists, and Kathleen Miller dipped a pancake spatula into her black cell activator, and Gail Burston has been using a smear tool, which is a palette knife or whatever. I want to use one of my shovels, and I'm going to try that today. I have coated the edges of my canvas with some Meeden white. I'm going to coat the rest of it right now with some more. And then I'm going to put some puddles of paint that I can swipe through easily. This is my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. Everybody who watches me knows about this, and most other artists are using it. I'm the one that discovered it at my local farmer's market in Spring Hill, Florida, which I wish was still around, but is gone, long gone. I'm sure there's another one to replace it somewhere. I just haven't gone there to find it. And I've already got the best tool they had, which was this spatula. So I have this really weird plan, since I did an awesome 18 by 24 inch swipe yesterday. And what I did with that was put a big puddle in the center. And what I want to do with this is use one of my shovels repeatedly to put a diagonal checkerboard. Let's see if I can go from the center. Out. Because the puddles of paint are really what helps the rest of the swipe happen so easily. I may want that to relax and give me some more of its paint. So I've got quite a goodly amount of paint there. Now what I need to do is choose what direction I want to go and a couple of colors. Dip my shovel. Actually, I'm going to put some gold in there too. Maybe some purple first. How about gold and purple? It's the first one. I'm going to dip, maybe not all of it, maybe just half of it. Whoops. There's a goodly amount of shovel covered paint. Don't know what that is. Don't know if it's in the paint or in the canvas. I'm going to hope that that continues to develop, because it usually does. And that's a good enough reason for me to think so. I like having the gold in there for sure. I am going to wipe off my spatula, or at least wipe it off into a scrape dish with my other spatula. Alright, so here goes again, and I'm going to try and get a little bit less on this time. There we go. And it's not really going far enough, but I think if I cheat, I can probably get it to cover. So I'm not sure, maybe I need to grab more of the paint. And I'm going to keep scraping off. Basically, if I'm dragging down a canvas, it just means I need more, period. And I've wanted to just combine colors in this way exactly for a long time. And I could probably swipe from the outside in, which may happen, because I've been thinking about, that was part of my plan. Some of my notes today said from the outside in. So that's the amount of paint I used. Works better with a shorter span. And I definitely think when I'm going to do this, I need to use as much of the paint in that puddle as possible. There's my red. There it is. I'm really tempted by some other color in there. That's the Arteza Electric Blue Pearl or metallic. So I'm thinking maybe if I need more paint in most of these, I should definitely go for whatever the dip is working. And just go with the flow. Loving that purple. So first I scrape it off, then I spatula it off. Now I'm going to wipe it off. I definitely don't need that much on this one. I intended on going both directions, but I'm not sure how that's going to work out yet. I think if I take some of my residual white paint, put it down right there, grab another little shovelful. It just makes me want to go ahead and utilize whatever my imagination's inclined to bring me. I'm afraid I got too close to that other strip and I might get rid of something I like. Just to facilitate time, I'm actually wiping off my shovel. I'm being called to orange here. And I still have quite a bit of black paint left on the shovel, so I'm going to take my chances and use it. I thought about choosing my colors in advance, and maybe I should have done that, but I didn't. This is, if you have a question about a color, please feel free to ask me. I'll be happy to help you. That was a turquoise I make up myself with iridescent pearl fine in it. The other one is a turquoise flash from Folk Art that's color shifting. That purple is, I believe, a metallic from Artist Loft. See, I'm still using a copious amount of this black, and it's working beautifully. I'm loving this. This is so much fun because it kind of sort of works every time. So I want to do a short one, and I'm not sure if I can do that or not. So maybe I'll just go from both directions. But it's a set formula, you know. Dip a fairly copious amount. Get your scrape dish ready, because I think that's going to go right over the edge. Maybe I'll just scrape that right down in. Okay. What do I want to do there? Maybe I want to leave a white space there. Maybe I don't. Let's try it without the white and see what happens. Because there's certainly enough paint added in those two little strips because it's such a short pull. So now I've used up all of my white and I have to decide if I want to go on or if I want to leave the white I've got. I kind of like it. I think I want one more strip though. And do I want it to be the same as the one on the other side? No, I don't. I'm just making my strips the same width as the shovel. I'm dying to see what pulling on that purple first will do. And I'm hoping that there's enough paint there. Maybe I'll just go down here. Take my chances. A little green? No, shh. I can do that in a minute if I want to. Conveniently enough, the shovel goes onto the side of the canvas very nicely, and I think I'm going to do that right now, even if it's a little on the gray side. It's covered. That's neat. I could put a little stripe down if I wanted to, or I could do absolutely nothing and it would be just fine. Let me just tap that over the edge. Do I want another color? I kind of do. You know I did. And I'm being called to more orange. And I'm not going to put any more white on. But I am going to use a different color orange. This is a color shifting red orange. I might as well call it red. I'm pretty sure. I know it's folk art color shift. Keep getting this extra drop over the side. I just want to do it over here too. I knew it was going to fall short, but that's still cool. I'm good. I'm going to go back and grab that orange again, and then maybe I can fill in. I think that little bit of white negative space isn't going to hurt anything. And my edges are filled in. And if I want something else, I'm just going to have to add it. And I bet anything I can make that. Oh, right. That's not cool. Dog hair. Dog hair alert. Yeah, it's a little too orange. Still a little bit too orange. But I'm done. It is what it is, and it was a great experiment, and I'm happy you guys were here to join me. And there's 93,000, or very nearly 93,000 as of today, subscribers. And if you've been around for a while, thank you so much for being around. I really appreciate your company all this time. You guys inspire the heck out of me. If you're newly subscribed, please be welcome. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. We'd love to have you. I publish a video every day and twice on weekends. The ones every day, I can't count on which time because I'm advised about times. But the ones on weekends are Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night at 10 p.m. also. Right now, I'm posting at 1:30 in the afternoon, but that's no guarantee that you'll find a video at 1:30. But you will be able to go to my YouTube channel and find created playlists, all playlists, and be able to find whatever you're looking for. And if you can't find what you're looking for, just ask me. I'd be happy to help you. The cells in this are so cool. And being my first shovel swipe, it's just kind of a fun experiment. For me, it's all about figuring out how much of the cell activator black paint I need. And I'm using Amsterdam black. I think mine might be lamp black, and a lot of people use the oxide. I don't think it makes much difference. What's important is that you are using the pre-stain wood conditioner from Minwax. When I made my first recipe, I made it with 2 ounces of mixed paint. You can find my paint pouring recipe below the video, and it is right under the video when you open Show More. I'm just covering my edge to match. And I can do that after you're gone. So I'll continue to tell you, please give me a thumbs up. I'm going to zoom in to show you guys what we've got. And I hope to get better at this. I really like the organic way that things work themselves out. They don't have to be, and there's no symmetry, there's nothing, and it was sort of a fun grid to do. Thank you for all the wonderful comments that you leave me to keep my morale boosted. Really appreciate that. And thank you more for all of the contributions that help keep me painting and bringing you videos. This is actually cooler looking in person than I think it is through the monitor. But like I said, this is a first time. It's a takeoff on my other painting, but it's the first time I did the diagonal down that way. So check my community board for tomorrow's video. Check my Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students on the link tree. The link tree is below the video. Below the link tree, you're going to find my email address if you are interested in contacting me regarding a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, or purchasing an artwork. That requires the hashtag and file number from the title of the video. What else can I tell you guys? My timer's not turning off. There we go. On the link tree, pixels.com, Fine Art America, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and those Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes and More will have a Shop Now button that'll take you to pixels.com and Fine Art America. And Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Fans and Collectors, has albums of the older YouTube artworks that are edited, and someday I'll catch up and it'll have newer ones too. My Amazon link is a fantastic place to shop. I've got all kinds of stuff that you might like there, all kinds of stuff I like there. It's at no added cost to you when you shop there. You can buy anything on Amazon from my link and help me support the studio's production of videos. My 2 books are there because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities. Check out over 2,000 videos. Check out over 1,900 videos, going on 2,000. On 19 lists of 100 and by topic and genre. And if you have questions, did I mention, please just ask me. I'll be happy to help you out. If you like my videos, if you like what I do, please give me a thumbs up. Share them, watch them longer. And look for the exhibition video on the end screen of every video that will show you what the monthly drawing prize winners have to choose from for prizes. If you are someone who can help contribute to help support the studio producing videos, then you can find PayPal and Patreon icons on the lower right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner and on the link tree. And if you use them, you'll be automatically entered in the monthly drawing. I'll send you a receipt and a copy of the video and pictures of the artwork that you can choose from. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves very much, and hope to see you tomorrow. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, reminding you, if you want to see something that I haven't posted to Fine Art America, pixels.com or Teespring, just ask me. I'll do that. Bye for now. Priscilla out.